Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to create a new user account in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Right-click on the Start menu and select Settings, or press the Windows key, +I to open Settings. From there, go to Accounts and click on Other Users. Under Other Users, click on Add Account. Then choose how the new user will sign in. You can either enter the new user's email address, or select I don't have this person sign in information. Then click on Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now enter a username for the account, and you can enter a password for the account, or leave it blank if you don't want to set a password for the account. Then click on Next. Lastly, under Other Users, you can see the user account. You can click on it to change the account type from standard account to administrator account, and you also can remove the account. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.